So evidently there is a tornado about 30 miles northeast of here. And this is what the sky has been doing for the last half hour. It's non-stop lightning with no thunder. I have never seen this before in my life. That is really cool. Wasn't sure I was going to be able to pick this up. Wow. Oh wow, double lightning, what does it mean?
Apparently that's over near St. Augustine.
It's like an episode of War of the Worlds or something.
Yeah, and so it's right outside your front door. That makes sense because we're looking at the backyard.
That is wicked. Absolutely no sound at all.
Yeah, and what's weird, like Matt's standing here, what's weird is, like he said, there's no sound. It's just lightning. So it's like heat lightning, because there's no sound with heat lightning, but it's just, that's got to be like a heat cell. And it's just consistent. Isn't that weird? Yeah, yeah. No, we're outside. Matt said it's like an episode of War of the Worlds.